Fresh red apples arrive at the factory, beginning the controlled process that will become clear apple juice.
Clean water thoroughly washes the apples, removing surface dirt before further processing begins.
After rinsing, apples pass a final visual check to confirm complete cleanliness and quality.
Clean apples transfer smoothly onward, moving deeper into the controlled juice production workflow.
Apples are mechanically sorted by size to ensure consistent crushing and efficient juice extraction. Damaged apples are removed, so only high-quality fruit proceeds into juice production.
Measured batches of apples ensure controlled input for consistent juice processing results. Whole apples are fed into the crusher, positioning them for controlled pulp formation. The crusher activates, beginning the mechanical process that transforms apples into usable pulp. Rotating blades crush the apples, converting whole fruit into moist, uniform apple pulp. Workers confirm the apple pulp texture is uniform and ready for the next processing stage. Crushed apple pulp transfers smoothly along the conveyor toward controlled enzyme treatment.
Food-grade enzyme liquid is prepared to help break down apple pulp efficiently.
Enzyme liquid mixes into the pulp, helping release juice from the crushed apples. The rotating chamber evenly mixes the pulp, allowing enzymes to work thoroughly.
Close inspection confirms the pulp has broken down into a smooth, juice-ready consistency.
Prepared apple pulp loads into the press, ready for juice extraction.
Controlled pressure squeezes the pulp, separating liquid juice from solid material.
Fresh apple juice flows out clearly as pressing separates liquid from the pulp. Extracted apple juice is collected in an open tank, ready for careful filtration.
Fine filtration cloths are prepared to remove remaining solids from the apple juice. Juice passes through the cloth, separating fine solids during the first filtration stage.
A second filtration ensures the apple juice becomes fully clear and smooth.
Final inspection confirms the juice is clear, uniform, and ready for stabilization.
Clarified apple juice enters the cooling tank to stabilize temperature before bottling.
The juice moves through stabilization lines to ensure consistent temperature throughout. A final clarity check confirms the juice meets visual quality standards.
Empty glass bottles arrive open and upright, prepared for careful juice filling.
Each open bottle is visually checked to ensure it is clean and ready for filling. Guide rails align every open bottle precisely, preparing them for controlled juice filling.
Bottlenecks are positioned accurately beneath filling nozzles for clean pouring. Clear apple juice begins flowing into open bottles under controlled filling. Juice continues filling the bottles, rising evenly to the correct level.
Filling stops precisely as each bottle reaches the correct juice level.
Filled bottles are visually inspected to confirm clarity and correct fill level. Caps are prepared nearby as filled bottles approach the sealing station. Caps are applied and pressed firmly, sealing the apple juice bottles.
Each sealed bottle is checked to ensure the cap is secure and leak-free. Bottle exteriors are gently dried, preparing them for final inspection and packaging.
Sealed bottles are checked again to ensure clean, unmarked glass and uniform appearance. Each bottle passes a weight check to confirm accurate juice filling.
Bottle spacing is adjusted to ensure smooth and accurate packaging placement.
Empty trays are positioned carefully to receive the finished apple juice bottles.
Finished bottles are placed into trays, beginning the final packaging process.
Trays are inspected to ensure bottles are secure and correctly positioned. Plain cartons are formed and positioned to receive the filled bottle trays.
Bottle trays slide into cartons while the product remains fully visible. Cartons are closed securely, completing the packaging of apple juice bottles.
Finished cartons are stacked neatly, preparing for pallet loading and shipment. Packaged cartons are carefully arranged onto pallets for secure handling.
Protective wrapping secures the pallet, keeping cartons stable during transport.
Wrapped pallets pass through handling stations before entering warehouse storage. Finished pallets are stored temporarily in the warehouse, ready for shipment.
Rows of finished pallets await movement toward final loading and dispatch. A forklift lifts the pallet carefully, beginning the final movement toward dispatch. The loaded pallet moves steadily toward the truck loading dock.
The pallet is loaded into the truck, completing the physical distribution process. Loaded pallets sit securely inside the truck, ready for transportation.
And this is how modern factories produce apple juice from start to finish.